Hello, this is Mr. Tutorial. I'm going to show you how to download and install OBS Studio. Let's go and find the website. We use Windows, so I click on Windows. It started to download. It's only 130 megabytes. Okay, I click on it. Next. Choose the path. No problem with this. Install. Yeah, it starts to installing. Okay, installation completed. It will launch when I click on Finish. Let's try. Okay, that's all. You can also watch my video about how to use OBS Studio. If you have any questions, you can write in the comments below. See you in the next video.